Hi, this is Gary Edmonds with the Glendora Real Estate Market Update for the week of Valentine's. I hope you and your Valentine had a great Valentine's Day. That's a lot of Valentines. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the current available listings in Glendora. There are 25 total listings available in Glendora currently. 10 of those are new in the last 7 days. Of those listings, 22 of those are single-family residences, 2 are townhouses, and 1 is a duplex. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get into the data. Now, what I've done is I've taken the last 30 days and took all the sales for those last 30 days and did a comparable market analysis and averaged out the per square footage of price and for the days on market. Now I'm comparing that against the previous 30 days. Now keep in mind that was during the Christmas holiday season, so the data can be a little wonky. So we're going to go ahead and get into this. Homes, in 11 homes sold in the last 30 days in the 1,500 square feet or less category as compared to the 15 during the holidays. Now they're selling currently at $642 per square foot, where on average it was selling for $580 during the holidays. We're seeing an increase in per square foot price in the last 30 days. And then the total days on market is what it's taking you to sell a home that's 1,500 square feet or less now is about on 11 days. It's taking on average 11 days to sell that home, as compared to during the holiday season it literally took 39 days. And so we're seeing an increase in per square foot price, but a decrease in the time it's taking to sell your home. So we're going to go on and then move to homes that are 1,500 square feet or larger. 1,500 to 1,800 square feet. The data we had 8 homes that sold in the last 30 days as compared to 7 during the holidays. So that's a good cross section. We're looking at a per square foot price of $499 per square foot for these homes. As compared to the holiday season, which was selling at $522 per square. So we're seeing this indicates a market decrease per square foot price. Again, I think that's anomalous based upon previous data and it being on holidays. The total days on the market, currently it's taking 22 days to sell these homes, where before on average it was taking 6. So we're seeing an increase. I think this is an anomaly. But again, currently in the last 30 days, homes are averaging at $499 per square foot with an average day on market on 22. So it's taking 22 days to sell a home in that size. All right, so we're going to move to 1,800 square feet or larger. Now you understand these are the high-end homes in Glendora. These are the crown jewels of Glendora. So these homes are going to be larger square footage. We're going to see a smaller per square foot price because there's more per square feet, right? Smaller homes sell at a larger per square foot price. Larger homes sell at smaller per square foot price. Am I saying that right? I hope I am. All right. So the data was in the last 30 days, 7 homes in this size range have sold versus 16 during the holidays. Of those homes, they're selling at an average of $374 per square foot versus the $429 we saw during the holidays. So we're seeing that market decrease. Total days on market is 57 for these homes. Bigger homes it's in a higher. There's fewer people that are purchasing homes in this bracket. So versus the 18 days we saw during the holidays. So we're seeing a decrease in price, but an increase in the time it's taking to sell these. Now, again, we had those holiday anomalies. So we'll start to see this data as we go forward over the next month or two. We'll start to see this data start to flatten out and become more reliable. All right, so if you want to get a rough estimate of the value of your home, you can pick the category your home is in under 1,500 square feet. You'll multiply by 642. 1,500 square feet to 1,800 square feet, you multiply by 499. 1,800 square feet or larger, you multiply by 374. You take the total living area per square footage. You multiply it by that number, and then you'll have a rough estimate. Now, if you'd like a more accurate idea of what your home is worth, I do a complimentary comparable market analysis of your home and to give you an accurate idea of what your home is currently worth. And I do that. The only thing I ask is that if you do decide to sell your home, that you give me an opportunity to tell you all the great things that we will do to sell your house. So let me go ahead and let me also put this out there too. If your house is an average kind of house, based upon, let's go back to the total listings. On average, Glendora has more than twice. It's usually around the 50 homes available in Glendora. So we're still seeing a low inventory. If your home is average, needs some repairs, needs some updating, has some issues, this is a better time to try to sell your home because you have less competition. As we get closer to the summer sale season, the March, April, May, June timeframe, we're going to see a greater increase in the number of homes available. So you're going to get less eye time. Of course, if you have a great home that sells anytime, but if your house has some issues, this is a great time. And if you're considering selling your home, please give me a call. Let me do a complimentary, comparable market analysis, and then let me show you what we can do to sell it. And that's it. If you're interested, I have other market analyses available for Glendora, San Dimas. This is Glendora, San Dimas, and Laverne. I also have if you go to my Facebook page, you can see what the future for 2022 is, what the future in the market is looking like for 2022. I think there's some things going forward. I think this is going to be the best summer selling season that we're going to have for 5 or 6 years. Part of that is some of the reasons are we're starting to see high inflation. In order to combat high inflation, the Fed is going to have to increase interest rates. We're going to see interest rates go into the 4s, and anything above 4, you have to know that the current market drivers are millennials. And so in the last 20 years, they have not seen home interest rates they only saw them in the 2 and 3 range. So if they start to see 4 and 5, I think we're going to see a cooling in that range. Again, it's been 20 years that these people have seen it. On average, 5% or lower is considered low interest rates for home sales or home purchases. So again, I think that's going to cause cooling. And as you add points, percentages or interest to a loan, the smaller the home that a person can qualify for becomes, right? So keep that in mind as we go forward. Again, my name is Gary Edmonds, and I hope this has been educational for you. Please reach out to me if there's anything I can do for you. Thank you. And you can contact me at the let's go back down to my information here. So, Gary Edmonds, you can reach me at 626-827-4477. You can reach out to me by email at GaryRayEdmonds@gmail. Or you can go to Facebook and do a search for Gary Edmonds Realtor, and you'll find me. All right? Well, again, have a blessed week. Look forward to talking to you next week and giving you another update then. Bye.